This here, what you're looking at, is a futures chain. A chain is a very important concept in derivatives and in futures trading. So when you're dealing with something like stocks or currencies, it's not much of a guessing game about what exactly you should trade. If you want to buy shares in Tesla, you buy shares in Tesla. It's not like you have 20 different Tesla shares to pick from. In the futures world, you always have many different contracts trading at the same time. This is called a chain. So this is a snapshot of which contracts were traded at the time I took this screenshot, which deliveries were open. You can take a position in any one of them, and each one expires at a different month. And we can see here in the first column when each contract expires. The second column shows your price. It says last year, the last paid price. The really important thing here to notice is that they are different. It might not look big, but the prices are not the same. And this is a key thing which we will be looking at today, the price difference for the different deliverables, different months. We see the first one here, November 2019 contract was last paid 1473 spot 3. But if you go up to December 2020, there was 1503 spot 2. So this makes a big difference over time, and how much we will look at in a moment. The last two columns there show measurement of activity or liquidity. Volume is something that I'm sure you're used to in whatever asset class you're used to trading. If I make a trade right now, if I buy one contract, the volume will tick up by 1 for that delivery. Open interest might be new to you. That's an important one. Open interest tells you how many active contracts there are at the moment. So if I buy one contract right now, meaning somebody went short the same contract, open interest ticks up by 1. If I sell the contract 20 minutes later, so I exit, I sell to close my contract, the open interest will tick down by 1. So it shows how many actively open contracts in each. And as you see here, one contract has overwhelming amount of activity, and that is the case most of the time. For most futures trading strategies, you only trade the most active one.